If you need a retaining wall contractor in Milton, especially for engineered retaining walls over 5 feet tall, call the retaining wall and driveway replacement experts at Retaining Walls and Concrete. For over 30 years, residential and commercial property owners alike have come to rely on our peerless reputation. They know our retaining walls will last for decades, and our concrete work will give your neighbors driveway envy. The fact is, our building standards are among the highest in the retaining wall and concrete construction industry. Our crews are extremely proficient, well experienced, and accurately equipped to handle any size job. So whether you need a new retaining wall or a retaining wall replacement, well, you can always rely on Retaining Walls and Concrete for the best results. Please visit retainingwallsandconcrete.com to see our portfolio of projects, and then call us for your free estimate.